I'm Neera Mehrotra from INSD Whitefield. At INSD, we don't make students learn the things, it's just we make them prepare for the industry related, and they don't need knowledge nowadays, they need real industry experiences. That's why our program, Fashion Design, Interior Design, and Graphic Design, starts make them understand with the experience of live assignments, studio profiles, and portfolio making from the day one. We focus on industry tools, represent design workflows, and graduates with professional portfolios to represent their skills. As it's a design world, opportunities come to those who can show their work, not just talk about. Our mission at INSD Whitefield is to transform creativity into confidence and passion into professional career. If you're eligible to your future in design, you're welcome to visit our campus and explore your new designing future. Admissions now open, and we look forward to design your future.